In this video, I'll show you how to set Lively wallpaper as lock screen. So what you need to do, open up your Lively. So I can just come and select any of these. I can select this one, set as wallpaper. So it's currently set as wallpaper now. This is currently the desktop display view. So let us try and see if we can be able to set it as our lock screen wallpaper. So I'm gonna come on here to my settings, open my settings. Then what I need to do now, once that's opened up, I need to click on personalization. I need to click on lock screen. Then from this option, you're going to be able to see personalize your lock screen. So this is what is going to show. This is what is going to show if it's currently on lock screen. So I would come on here. So the real truth is that I'm not sure there's any official feature for you to be able to set a lively wallpaper, like to be able to be show, like to be able to show it on your left screen. So I think it's just this both. So from the Windows spotlight, the picture, and yeah, I can be able to select any of this picture. So I don't think there's any one at the moment, but you can be able to get the desktop live view lock screen wallpaper. So if it is for the lock screen, I'm not sure I can be able to do this. So please stop checking. I'm not sure that feature is officially ready. So please let me know if you find this video helpful. I would always love to stay truthful. So thank you all for watching to this very part of this video. I'll see you in the next video.